Sardines sometimes receive a bad rap due to their strong fishy flavor. But they are highly nutritious and make for a very healthy food choice. They are a great source of essential nutrients, including protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, vitamin B12, calcium, and selenium. Sardines are a rich source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscles, supporting the immune system, and maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their numerous health benefits, including supporting brain health, reducing inflammation, and promoting heart health. Sardines are one of the few food sources of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential minerals for strong bones and teeth. Sardines are an excellent source of vitamin B12, which is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve cells, producing DNA, and forming red blood cells. The soft edible bones in sardines are an excellent source of calcium, a mineral essential for strong bones and teeth. Calcium also plays a vital role in muscle function and blood clotting. Sardines are a good source of selenium, an essential mineral with antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect the body from oxidative damage, supports thyroid function, and boosts the immune system. Sardines are also low in mercury compared to larger fish species, making them a safer choice in terms of potential mercury exposure. When choosing sardines, it's generally recommended to opt for those packed in water or olive oil rather than in soybean oil. This helps minimize unhealthy fats. Now let's jump right into the recipe for keto/carnivore bacon wrapped sardines. The main ingredients include 1 tin of sardines, 9 half slices of thick cut bacon, and your choice of cheese. I used white cheddar here. First, lay the ingredients out on a clean surface such as a cutting board or baking sheet. Next, wrap each sardine with bacon, being careful not to break the sardines. Transfer the sardines into an air fryer tray like so. If you don't have an air fryer, then just bake them in your oven. Select the auto cook button for bacon, or if you don't have an auto select button for bacon, then set the temperature at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 190 degrees Celsius, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until the bacon is cooked to your preferred degree of crispness. When cooked to your liking, allow the bacon-wrapped sardines to cool before transferring them to a plate. Top with grated cheese and whatever other toppings you like. And last but not least, enjoy your savory nutritious bacon-wrapped sardines. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. If you have specific suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Have a great day.